Alright everyone, welcome back to this platform Prince TV. If today is your first time, all you have to do is to try and then subscribe to the platform so that anytime I upload my video, you will always be the first person to be notified and then know what this video is all about. Alright, in this particular one, we are going to be talking about the application date for the new 4 months of the Ready to the Emergenza. You guys can bear witness that since all this while, IMS have brought out the deadline which people have to apply for the new 4 months of the Ready to the Emergenza. But since all those while, they never brought out the date which people can start applying for it. Now, IMS have communicated today when people can start applying for the new 4 months of the Ready to the Emergenza. This is what we are going to be talking on this particular video. So if you are one of those people who benefit for Ready to the Emergenza, I think you have to listen attentively to this new 4 months and then know how you can go and then apply, and then when you are eligible to go and then apply for the Ready to the Emergenza again. Now listen to the article while we go straight. As usual, you know how we do it on this platform. I'll try to give you guys article so that you can see how all these things are played. Alright, now listen. He said here, emergency income, new IMS applications only from 1st to 31st July. So now, as from the 1st of July till on the 31st of July, you have the right to go and then apply for the new 4 months of the Ready to the Emergenza. Let's go forward. He said, applications for the new shares of June, July, August, and September of the emergency income will start on 1st July. How to do? Now let's see. He said the application for the new shares of June, July, August of the emergency income recognized by the law, decree number 73/2021. Let's go a little bit forward. He said application can only be submitted until July 31st, 2021. So the deadline is on the 31st of July, 2021. He said the news is given by the IMS with a note published today, 15 June. You understand? Alright, listen attentively. He said, emergency income, submission of new applications. IMS will open the channel for applications for the further 4 months of REM introduced with the sustaining bills from 1st July until the deadline of 31st July, 2021. Now, I repeat again. The application date for the new 4 months of the Ready to the Emergenza will kick off starting from the 1st of July and is to run up on the 31st of July. Though there might still be extension. If they see how people apply, they might still kind of like try to extend the deadline which people have to apply for it. But have it in mind as of now that the application is to kick off on the 1st of July and then is to run up on the 31st of July, 2021. This is what IMS have stated so far. Now let's go a little bit forward with the article. He said, this is the time frame announced with the press release of 15 June. Listen to this particular place, very important. He said, the IMS note announced that specific instructions will be provided in the coming days regarding the audience of beneficiaries as well as cases of incompatibility with other bonuses and allowances. Now, like this, IMS are still going to bring out some guidelines which people are going to make use of. You know, the last Ready to the Emergenza they did, they stated that those ones who receive Ready to the Cittadinanza, they cannot apply for Ready to the Emergenza. Now, on these new 4 months of Ready to the Emergenza, on the incompatibility, that is what you can combine with it with other bonuses, they have not stated anything this time around. If people who receive Ready to the Cittadinanza can also apply for this new 4 months of Ready to the Emergenza. This is what they are stating in this particular place. And then they state that the upcoming days, time to come, they are going to bring out updates and see people who can apply for it. If you are receiving Ready to the Cittadinanza, if you are receiving NASP and other bonuses, now IMS are going to watch if you will be able to apply on this new 4 months of Ready to the Emergenza. This is what they stated in this particular article here. Now let's go a little bit forward. He said, emergency income, how to apply. He said, Families who apply for the emergency income for the first time must submit the application using the form prepared by him. Alright, listen to this part here. He said, emergency income, what it amounts to. He said, the economic benefit of REM is determined by multiplying 400 by the corresponding perimeter of the equivalent scale. You know, each family have equivalent scale. It depends on the quantity having in the easel, having in the family. That depends on the amount which you have to receive. For example, if you are a single person, you apply for Reddito d'Emergenza, you will receive 400 euro. But if you have family, there are other benefits, there are other money you have to receive. You don't have to receive 400 euro with a person who a kind of like I'll give you guys the equivalent scale very soon. We'll get to that point so that you guys can understand very well those ones who are not yet in the game and know what you have to benefit. Alright, now listen. He said here, the amount of the economic benefit cannot exceed 800 euro per month, except in the case in which the equivalent scale is increased up to 2.1. He said the equivalent scale is equal to 1 for the first member of the family unit, and it is increased by 0.4 for each additional member over the age of 18. You understand? Now let's go to the equivalent scale so that you guys can understand all this grammar they are crafting here on this part. Now listen to the equivalent scale of Reddito d'Emergenza. For those ones who are new on it, listen how money you are going to receive. If you are with family, how much you are going to receive if you are a single person. Now listen, he said, an adult equivalent scale 1, 400 euro. So if you are an adult who applied for Reddito d'Emergenza as an individual, you are entitled to receive 400 euro. Now listen to the second one. He said, an adult and a minor equivalent scale 1.2 is 480 euro. Now, if you are an adult and then you have a minor child, a little baby, together you guys will receive 480 euro. This is what it is being stated here. Listen to the third one. He said, two adults, equivalent scale 1.4, 560 euro. So if there is two adults on the easel used to apply for the Reddito d'Emergenza, you guys are going to receive the amount of 560 euro. The next one again, two adults and one minor, equivalent scale 1.6, then you guys will receive 640 euro. If you have two adults and one minor, then you guys receive 640 euro. Now listen to the other one again. He said, two adults and two minors, equivalent scale 1.8, receive 720 euros. You understand? Then the next one again we have is three adults and two minors, equivalent scale 2, that is 800 euro. So if you have two adults and two minors, you guys will be receiving 800 euro. Now listen to the last one. He said, three adults and two minors, one of whom is severally disabled, equivalent scale 2.1, 840 euros. So if there is a family where you guys are about three adults, two minors, and a disabled person in the family, they are the people who receive the highest money, which is mentioned 840 euros. So guys, that is the equivalent scale of the Reddito d'Emergenza. So what is important here is for those ones who are already in the game, is for you guys to now know that the new 4 months of the Reddito d'Emergenza will kick off on the 1st of July, and it is to round up on the 31st of July. Though at the end, they will try to still give extension. It depends on how people applied. That is how they are going to still give a little bit shift on the deadline, just like the one they did before. So that is the update coming from IMSS. And then I want you guys to get this information and then get prepared that as from the 1st of July, you should be the first person to be at the CAF, Patronato, wherever you apply on your Reddito d'Emergenza. Still go there and then apply for it. Earlier the better. You know, those ones who apply first are the people they attend when the payment starts. So that is it. Now I'm giving a clarification on when the Reddito d'Emergenza is kicking off, which on the 1st of July which is to round up on the 31st of July. So that is the update coming from IMS. If you have not subscribed to this platform, all you have to do is to subscribe, so that when they bring out the payments date, I will still come here and then update those ones who are under this platform and then know how things are going. Make sure you keep the like button and then keep your comments, whatever you think on my video. Till next time again, we'll be together. Ciao.